30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 13. In breakfast. Alternative French toast. Ingredients for alternative French toast: 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 packages of sugar, substitute cinnamon to taste, 1/2 of a 3 ounces bag of unflavored pork rinds. Crush the pork rinds as finely as you can without turning them into a powder. Mix together the eggs, cream, sweetener and cinnamon and pour into the bowl with pork rinds. Stir and allow the mixture to soak until you have a thick, goopy batter. Pour in batter and fry pancake style in butter, browning both sides until done. Serve with your favorite low-carb syrup. Yields about 2 servings. Total net carbs, less than 2 grams per serving. In lunch. Chicken breast stir-fry. Ingredients for chicken breast stir-fry: 1 cup lettuce, 1 tomato, 1 chopped pepper, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 chicken breast, a few ounces of your favorite low-carb dressing. Clean and chop vegetables and slice chicken into stir-fry sized pieces. Heat wok with a little bit of cooking oil and stir-fry chicken. When chicken is done, toss into a plastic container with the fresh vegetables and pour in the dressing. Close with IID and shake to coat. Yields 1 serving. Total net carbs, 4 grams per serving. In dinner. Ground beef and cabbage casserole. Ingredients for ground beef and cabbage casserole: 1/2 pound ground beef, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1/2 bag coleslaw mix, 2 cups tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Brown ground beef first and set aside. Add onion and cabbage to the skillet and sauté until soft. Add ground beef back in along with tomato sauce and lemon juice. Bring mixture to a boil, then cover and simmer for 30 minutes. Yields 3 servings. Total net carbs, 8 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 13 based on a single serving per meal, about 12 grams. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.